guys, so we are finally getting the plastics on the, oh, what's this guy? Well, that was uncalled for. Anyways, we're finally getting the plastics on to the 500. We just got them today. This one's already out of the freaking package. But this is what it looks like now. It's all orange, white, purple, all kinds of crap. We're going to make this thing look a little bit different. So it's going to look kind of basic when we get the plastics on, but we got the graphics coming. Time lapse over here and show you us putting these on. So alright, there it is. All the black plastics are on now. This kit fit pretty good. The tail section was kind of hard to get on, especially this panel right here, because you gotta hook it here and all up in here, all crazy, and then it has to hook into this too. It was kind of a pain, but the rest of it was pretty easy. It looks really awkward, but once we get the graphics on, it's gonna look sick. When we get the graphics kit, we're gonna continue the installation, because this is what it looks like with no graphics.
2 weeks later.
All right, we've got them. There's our graphics kit from Pro Rider Design. Gonna put it on the all blacked out plastics. Let's get to it. Get to the time lapse again. Here we go. Alright, well, we've got it all on. This thing looks freaking sweet. It's got a couple other finishing touches we got to do. We got to get a different headlight. That headlight sticks out way too much, and these blinkers. Got to do something about that. I'm probably going to end up leaving those hand guards. I think it goes good with the rest of it. They make it nice and easy, like here on the back. This intersection is one piece, and then these are separate, so it makes it a lot easier to put on than having it all as one piece. These side panels here, these are several pieces, so it is the center piece, top portion, bottom portion, and then this portion back here. And then the only thing I don't really care for is the front. So it has this and it has this, but there's nothing that goes right here, which is kind of disappointing. But everything fit really good. It was pretty easy. I think the hardest parts were the fork guard wraps. I think those were the hardest parts. But it wasn't too bad. I guess it took me a couple hours to get it all put on. Really taking my time. It came out pretty good. Some of them got some bubbles in them, like right there. Couldn't really get those out. But the rest of it looks freaking sweet. What do you guys think? Think it looks good? I think it looks freaking sweet. So stay tuned. We're almost done with this thing. As far as cosmetics and stuff, just a few more things and we'll be good to go. Also, my Supermoto wheels have finally shipped, so we'll be throwing those on probably next video. And I'm just so happy with how this thing looks. It looks so much better than stock. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.